Hourakliba Meerol shing yakaihanba amadi makhoida Maipakkani Haibagi tarangba Asha Piba Haibasi yamnamak Mathou Tai haina Education Minister Thounaojam Basantakumar na phongdokkhre. Wafamasi National Sports University Imphal Taret Suba Mapokumun Thouramda mahakna phongdokkibani. Khuman Lampak Sports Complex tangasi pangthokiba Thouram maduga mari lengna Education Minister Thounaojam Basantakumar na hai Pikraba State asida leibak asigi sana khotnabagi lamda khwaidagi magun leiba University ama thamba ngamba se aikhoigi chawthok cheningai ni State asida University ase Maipakna chalaina ba hotnabada University asigi faculty amadi mahairu singna lawriba thodang ase yamna magun leiba amane Manipur ase leibak asigi sports ke powerhouse ni haibada haiman bathokloi Pikraba State asina hojek faubada Olympian taramapan puthokkhre Haina singthaningai oiribade Olympian taramapan asigi manungda taramatoidi nupi sanarui singna oiriba asine masina lamda masigi nupi singi thauna lingjal adu mayik singna takli amaromda per capita da yenglabade leibag asigi oina sanaroi khwaidigi puthokpa state ase Manipur ni haibi yai National Sports University Imphal da leibag asigi tongan ba state amade Union Territory kuntaretagi mahairui singna sana khonabagi lamda mahai masing tamli haibasi tabada apin Mapoi University asida tongan ba kanglo furuki mahairu singna mahaitam liba asigi fibam ase yengluragati University ase mini India amani haiba fawbi yai sana khotnabana miyoi bagi punsi amati leibak aduda lawriba thodang ase aikhoina khangba Mathou Tai Manipurda National Sports University ama thamba asida state asigi thoidok hinokpa sanarui singe thodang kaya yauribane Makhoi sing leiramdrabadi state asida leibak asigi lemjiningai oiraba Sports University ama lingba haiba asi oithokte mahakna makata na hai aikhoina maipakpa miyoi amamam oinaba hotnabada discipline leiba yamna changai fade masagi haithoi singthoiba kaya leiragaso discipline yaudragadi maipakpa misak ama kaidongnungdo oibngamloi state asigi oina leiriba Khuman Lampak Sports Complex ase leibak asigi yamna singthaningai oiba sports complex amane sports complex ase asigumba thak asida pukhatana ba hotnabada aikhoigi ahallaman singna wana hotnarakibane makhoigi thodang sing aikhoina kaufom thokte haina mahakna makata
The main thing is about life is giving hope to the future generations. Future generation ki laiba mangdalenchal youth, young people say, "Well, hope people that should be your aim and objective. You have a great life. Nai tum gyoiba aduma successful life ama soidana ngamgani laigani haibado madugi hope people that's what we should try and do as representatives, as teachers, and as elderly brothers and uncles or whatever that may be. So that I think is the main theme, I think. And coming to that theme, nasi haina haizaram I was just talking to the Vice Chancellor and the Registrar. I was proposing that you should have a motto to inspire you for this university, which you can propose to the ministry, that we need to have a crest, an emblem in which you can project what the vision for the university is.
Thouram mari leinana National Sports University Imphal ge Vice Chancellor Professor Asha S Nair hai leibag asigi yamna lemjiningai oiba sports ki university ama Manipurda leiba se yamna chawthok cheningai ni university asida leibag asigi tongan ba state amde Union Territory kuntaretagi mahairu singna mahai masin tamle university ase mini India amani university ase Maipakna chalaina bahotnabada achoba thodang lawriba ase University asigi faculty members singde Khuman Lampak Sports Complex ase leibak asigi yamna singthaningai oiba sports complex amane complex asida leiduna thabak tawba phangba ase apen bapo loinana lamdam asigi nupi sing ase yamna tamjiningai oi makhoidagi mahak masana lawsing kaya ama fangbangami haina mahakna makata ki
This particular place of the Khuman Lampak Sports Complex, a special mention for it because I'm from Kerala. I'm here. I think it's a blessing you'll not find anywhere in the country or go to any place in the world. I think this is one of the best possible place you can see. From morning 4 a.m., you come till 9, you'll find people running. I think there's some magic on the road. You feel like running with irrespective of whether you're child or your youth or your women. So I think this kind of magic is there, and the fitness index of Manipur would be great. So I think it's again a great thing, and it's been a great blessing for me to be here.
Ngasigi thauram aduda sana khotnabagi lamda Manipur ki Maipakkani Purakraba saknairaba sanaroi amadi coach te ikai khumnabut po oina Olympian Namairapum Kunjarani, Olympian Khetrimayum Thoiba, Olympian Ngangbam Sonia, Dronacharya Awardee Laisang Them Ibomcha, Arjuna Awardee Mayang Langbam Bimoljit amadi Arjuna Awardee Naurem Rosibinada Lingyan amadi Memento Kustin Naduna Ikai Khumnabut Ki Loinana University Asigi Thoidok Hendokpa Mahairoi Sing Yauna faculty members Sing da Lingyan amadi Memento Kustin Naduna Pukning Thogat Ki.